Just because it's cute doesn't mean it should be a pet. In April 2016, a video of a ring-tailed lemur in Madagascar went viral. Two boys crouched beside the lemur, occasionally stroking its back. When they paused, the lemur lifted its right hand and patted its back. It appeared as if he was demanding to be scratched again. Within a week of being posted on Facebook, the video was viewed around 2 million times. It was also shared widely on other social media. The viral video capitulated the ring-tailed lemur into brief stardom. A group of scientists studied responses to the video on Twitter. It turned out that hundreds of people reacted in the same way. They all tweeted about wanting to own pet lemurs. It is not known whether people actually tried to get a pet lemur as a result of the video. The scientists suspect that almost no one did. For one thing, there was no sign of people buying or selling lemurs on Twitter. Increased interest in wild pets. However, viral videos like these can increase public interest in having wild animals as pets. Unfortunately, such interest can cause problems. It can encourage the illegal pet trade of an already endangered species. There are few remaining lemurs in the world. If lemurs become popular as pets, more poachers will catch wild lemurs, even though doing that is against the law. Tara Clark led the new study. She and her team studied nearly 14,000 tweets mentioning lemurs. The tweets were posted between January and May 2016. They appeared before and after the video was released. The number of tweets about wanting a pet lemur was fairly low in most weeks, and scientists found. However, there was a big increase in such tweets once the Madagascar video went viral. After the 2-week craze died down, the number of tweets about wanting a pet lemur dropped back down. The scientists also looked at Google Trends data. They found that searches for the phrase pet lemur on Google and YouTube spiked in the weeks immediately after the video went viral. Viral videos of wild animals can teach us about species we might not otherwise know about. However, such videos can also be misleading, scientists say. They can lead people to think endangered animals will make good pets. Wild animals usually do not make good pets. Often, they are very difficult to care for. Many animals could die if they become pets. Also, endangered animals are simply too rare to be taken out of the wild. Animal populations need to stay above a certain size, otherwise the entire species can die out. Endangered animals are not up for adoption. Many online videos show cute wild animals without supplying any information. They say nothing about how endangered the animals are. Such videos can create a demand for the animals. Suddenly, many people want them as pets. Once the demand exists, poachers begin illegally catching animals. For example, a series of viral videos showing pygmy slow lorises being tickled led to a loris craze. Soon, an illegal pet trade in the animal sprang up. The ring-tailed lemur is also threatened by illegal pet trade. The species is currently endangered. There may be fewer than 25,000 ring-tailed lemurs left in the wild today. The disappearance of the rainforest is the main reason lemurs are dying out across Madagascar. However, thousands of lemurs have also been illegally collected from the wild to be displayed in restaurants and hotels. Taking selfies with lemurs has become especially popular in Madagascar. The new study was limited to English-speaking Twitter users. However, social media is popular everywhere else in the world. In Madagascar, many people are on Facebook. The 2016 viral lemur video may have helped create the country's lemur selfie craze. Scientist Kim Rutner worked on the new study. She is a lemur expert. Rutner believes viral videos can be a real problem. They can increase the dangers wild lemur populations are facing, she said.